Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and our total jump rope cardio and strength training workout. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Just make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout because it's going to be quite intense. Now, if you have any problem with jumping, especially landing, for instance, if you have joint pain, knee or the ankles, you can still do this exercise, and instead of jumping rope, you can do this instead. So you raise up your legs and imitate the hands as if you are actually jumping the rope. So we are going to begin otherwise. We are going to begin with some slow jumping. Still part of our warm-up. We are still warming up, guys. Just 2 minutes of this. Keep breathing, pulling in those arms towards the spine. I do have my clock over here in case you guys be wondering what I've been looking at down here. I guess I need to buy one of those workout timers. I don't know, but this clock over here works well for me. So keep going. We are warming up. Don't forget, if landing down or this kind of jumping is too hard on you, just do this. Just lift your legs up while imitating the hands as sort of jumping. Otherwise, if this is fun for you, keep going, keep breathing. Come on, just give me another minute of this. I'm sweating already, burning those calories we don't want. Ready? Yeah, keep going. Don't forget to pull those abs towards the spine. Feeling good about yourself. I feel those legs on fire already. Keep going, keep breathing. Don't give up, don't give in. Just give me for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you want to bring your rope down. We are going to be working on those arms, and we are going to be doing these arm wipes, abs towards the spine. 45 seconds of this. Like I told you, this is a total body strength training routine. So we are going to be working on those arms, working on toning those shoulders, wiping up and down. Keep breathing, keep going. This is actually part of our rest, when you get to catch your breather and get to continue. Keep going, giving me those arm wipes, feeling your arm muscles working. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. Next, you want to grab your rope just again, and we are going to be fast, jumping fast this time round. So just breathe in, breathe out, and we shall begin just about now. So abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, keep going. Feeling your heart rate way up there. Oops, my rope just knocked back. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep your rope down, and we are going to move into another one, getting to tone that chest. So you want to reach out your arms and you want to begin bringing them towards close and back. You can press onto your fist just to create more strength. Bring them back and back, back and back. Keep going, keep breathing, catching your breath. Actually, you can use this as a breather. If you like, you can actually get some dumbbells if you want it more challenging. Just give me 2 more. Whew. And 1 more. And next we are going to grab our rope 1 more time. Just stretch it out, relax it out, preparing yourself just about now, and we shall begin straight away. Abs towards the spine, very important. Don't forget that. Keep going. Don't slow down, keep going. Oops. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to bring it down. We are going to be working on those abs next. So you want to bring your arms at the back of your head, and you will begin bringing your knees towards your arms. We are going to do 45 seconds of this, guys. Pull in your abs towards the spine. We are working on strengthening and toning them up with this one, guys. Whew. Just keep going, catching your breath, preparing for our next jumping. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax it out. Next, you want to grab your rope again, guys. So bend over safely by bending that knee, pick it up, and we shall begin. You can even make it faster if this seems slow for you. Well done. We want to bring that rope down 1 more time, guys, and we want to get into the clear squat. Just get into position, spreading your legs apart, and we shall begin with 1 and 2, giving me 45 seconds of this, guys, and 3. Pull those abs towards the spine. Breathing, keep going, making sure that your knees are safely not going beyond your toes. Just give me 3 more. 2 more, and 1 more, and get back up. Grab that rope just 1 more time, and we are going to continue with another minute. Catch your breath. So begin just right about now. Guys, you want to bring your rope down. You want to stretch out those leg muscles. So stretch it out. You can use this time to grab some water if you need to get hydrated. Otherwise, just stretch it out, guys. You are doing awesome. And next we are going to be moving into the lateral lunge, 10 reps per side. So just give me 1 more per leg and another leg, and get into position. You want to begin with the right leg. You want to lunge to the side and back, pulling in those abs towards the spine. Lunge and back and back. Going. Just give me 2 more, and 1 more, and the other leg. You want to begin lunging it out, feeling that stretch in your legs as well. Lunge and back and lunge. Just give me 2 more, and 1 more, and get back up, guys. You want to grab that rope, and we are coming towards the end of this workout. Don't worry, guys, just keep going. Don't give up, don't give in. Beginning right about now. Bring your rope down, guys. Just relax it out. Catch your breath. Bring down your heart rate. We are going to get into the final stretching, guys, beginning with that hamstring stretch. So you want to cross your legs over, and you want to bend over, bending at your hips, and you want to be reaching out to your toes, and we shall be holding this for 20 seconds. over and bend at your lips, bringing your hands to touch your feet, and we shall be holding this for another 20 seconds. And get back up, getting into that hamstring stretch, beginning with the right leg. Just bring it backward and stretch out your arm, and we shall be holding this for 20 seconds per leg, pulling in those abs towards the spine, breathing in, breathing out, bringing down your heart rate, feeling good about yourself. Continue holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move on to the other leg. Keep breathing, taking in all the oxygen. At this moment, after such a workout, your muscles are taking in as much oxygen as they can. Too much of it. Keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get into that wide leg stretch. So stretch out your legs, widen them apart to as apart as you can reach. Then you want to bend at your hips, and you want to bring your hands down, holding on the ground, and we shall be holding this for a good 30 seconds. Feeling that stretch in your inner thighs, in your entire arms, in your legs, and keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you want to bring your legs together, and you want to begin moving side to side, feeling that good stretch in your leg. This has been quite an intense workout. We really need to stretch out well, moving side to side, stretching it out. Keep going. Yeah, give me 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and bring yourself back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far with me. I'm really sweating, but I feel extremely great. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over to come and we all become workout buddies. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Whew.